Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
Hello, my people from Untouchable Mama. How una dey? I greet the house. My brothers and sisters, e get little thing wey I wan talk about. Now, don still see this video about all this side chick. Wetin really dey happen between husband and wife inside house wey other people no know? Wetin really dey happen? Why be say all the time side chick, either na the man either na or the woman? This one wey I see so na the woman na im husband catch. He catch am for their whole bedroom. You understand? All these things is very bad. It's very, very bad. Even for the men side though, it dey bad. Even for the women side though, it dey bad. You know why? Benin take am say dey make parable say owama mama aikporo wugbo eko waga vuoma aizozowoe. Meaning there is something wrong. That's my opinion. Let me dey talk. So this one is my opinion. There is something wrong somewhere. Before some women there, some women, if they open their mouth, tell you wetin then they pass through for their marriage, you go cry for them. Now so it still be for some male, is for the both of them. You just hear some men go they tell you say for the whole past 6 months, his wife never gree make touch am. Now so it still be for the man. Go say my husband not near me for the past a year. He there because me believe say they cause all this side chick. A woman, you see woman go to sleep with another man will not be husband. There is something wrong on that because it's good men with the talk truth. Woman where he belly full for inside house, you know go find another something for outside. Now the truth. If you not belly full, now your eye go still there outside. If you eat belly full, you not go look outside. You don't even know whether something they happen from that side. Some men, if they open their mouth, talk to you, say, his wife not the near, if he call her, now so he go they give many stories. Now so he go say get headache. Now so he go say you get what he want go do. Now so he store customer they come for store. He go they give many stories. The man, person body not be firewood. I not say good make person they cheat or not, but you know now something they cause her. Now something they cause her. So men they, you know say all men it did their blood. It did their blood. Say any woman where they see their eye go there. That one a normal thing for them. It just did their blood like that. Even though say he wife for his house now queen. So if you see this your wife say I will not get go her, but if you see another woman where be say he bottom be like this, he breast get as he be, he brain go they turn. You know understand? Like he brain go they turn. Say hey, I for say make I eat for this thing. You know that one are normal for me. Oh, now as God say create then I be that one. But some men they he go just say. Anything where go hurt my wife, I no want me I do am. But you go see say na your wife, na you know even they near the man for the past year. Me I don't hear something like that. Just because of say this woman get pregnancy, she born. The time when she just taking, she not near the man again. He not near her again. He can't born. He can't dey 6 months. He can't dey this 6 months. He not near the man. I can say now person the man be something body you not they do you one kind. It they happen. If some people open their mouth, they tell you say, see what here they pass through for inside house. You go shock. You go say I can. Not be all marriage house, not be real marriage house. So they just they pretend for inside there. pretend just wan kill them for there. Many things there where some women they pass through. Now so some men still be. Now because of that one, I miss the things and then they cause all this side chick. Because man, we don't wait for your woman for months. Now the same story now you tell her. Yeah, go come come there outside. Now so it still be for woman. You know, if you just keep woman for that, say your shop, you two work today, next tomorrow, and I saw this one happen for your store. The other day, the woman go there for 6 months. You not near her, you not touch her. The woman I go sit there outside. The woman I go there outside. You not marry and may come be your sister. You not marry and may come they do babysitter follow you, or may come they wash your clothes, they cook for you. So where they will come say the wife or the husband don't carry another person, their brain go come open say, you are following my husband, you are doing this one with my wife. They'll come they start to they do as I talk jealousy or come they come. When you leave your wife, you usually take a turn to with the collar and start where you put on for table like say start where for there. You not start where now this thing where they buy you put on for when they say decorate table you put on for there. You leave on for there. You use your wife take turn to that one. I no go there outside. If you go there ask all this story, really if person go there ask all these people where just they fight come and say hey, my husband do this one, my wife do this one. You can't hear say many story there. Because they not be that moment, they not talking that moment when they on the video they say, oh, now they fight because of a side chick, or they fight because of say your husband staying with another man. When they will open their mouth, tell you say, see what they pass through for the past 2 years. My husband not call me. He don't even know whether I dey inside house. All you own now, go work, come back. Now so you go talk say he weak, he too work for work, he too do this one for that one. You know, so men really dey where they cost all this problem for themselves. Now so some women still be now make their husband go they look outside. Because some men they you go say lie to lie, nothing go make me look outside say I want look for another woman. But waiting their woman come they do for inside house, you go come constant. Now you go come constant say this woman be like say you know want me again. So me I find my own way for outside. Me I believe na my opinion because you no feel there with woman or with man for his house. So now just they do like brothers and sisters. Will not be your brother, will not be your sister. Just keep on for there like this thing where they put for table, they looking like that. So when all this thing will come, it go come happen. You come say they will come, they say, leave my wife alone, leave my husband alone. All these things. So men still they check inside una mind whether na the cousin one and wife go they find another man they go, or women the same thing. Mona still check inside una self. Say what I do wrong, what happen. As I stay talking before, men God just created them. Then they see any woman where they see, they will say, like say this one now, like their brain they work like that. But something they push them where say since 6 months, my wife not even near me. If I call her, now different story they give me. That's what it be for man. That's what it be for woman. That's what it be. Some men go there, they'll get side chick that you go there, now once in a period, now that they see their self, if they respect his wife, say men they be galeto, they call them galeto. This what do they call them? Okboru. Now okboru na. This what they call okboru for English more not verse, I not remember again. Eke no kpuru na mi ona dangbe o dangbono na dangbono na or mi jo ho be dian dangbe or mi jo ho bono pa dangbe. So all these things now wetin dey men brain na make them they do that thing. But really man wey belleful for inside house go do. If he look, he go throw away face. Now so it still be for woman. If you just pretend say you get wife for his house, you just lock him for his house for the past years. Some days they open their mouth tell you say for the past 2 years your husband never even know if he call am na different story. You know say some when you two come mad too much, you say I beg me I just forget about you. Okay, that kind of woman now if he can't go out, you see person wey laugh with am, he might go can't change. Because he go say wetin I no dey eat for his house, me I kukuma dey eat am for this side. Now wetin dey really dey happen? Now so it still be for man. He go say my wife they give me food for his house. So since this one they available now, me and Yokuku they eat for this side. That one let me believe say now they cause all this problem. After when they come see their husband see another woman now, their brain go come bust say, ooh, my husband, leave my husband alone, or ooh, leave my wife alone. They'll come start to they beat themselves for them. Which is very bad. Mona sit down, Mona ask una self. Ask una tell the treat to her husband or ask una tell the treat to her wife. Whether now they cause all this misunderstanding. Some women, I feel I don't still talk. I don't still see and not be say tell me I tell you. You will be woman, you get belle, okay, you born. When you don't get belle, you know kukuma near your husband again. That's your husband. Now blood now they work for your body. You can't born. Pikin can't dey 6 months. You don't even know whether the man still they exist. It they happen. Now so it still be the same thing with men. Not be all because some men they'll call they pretend say, this my wife. You know some men sabi pretend well. This my wife, this and that. But ask yourself, say where you for made mistake. Where your wife can't they do that kind of thing. Because not be today you marry and put for house. Not be yesterday you marry and put for house. You know the kind of woman where you marry. Maybe it can't reach some level now. You can't they do anyhow. If the woman say, brother come, you go say, you don't know say I go work today. I too work the day before yesterday. And some men still be like that. When their wife go call them, you go say you too like that thing. I beg. Which is very bad. For men to tell you why I say you too like that thing. If you don't like your thing, which another person want go like? If your wife not like your thing, you want me go like another person, yo? Which is no. Because not be all women, they support all these things. So men, they don't get manner of approach. If they want to talk to their wife about say husband and wife want do something. If your wife too call, go say you too call me, now only that thing now you don't know that thing. It's very bad. They happy say your wife they call you. They happy. Now so it still be for woman. Now so it still be. But now now come pain pass where you can't tell your wife say now only that one now you know that kind of voice where you go take talk and you go even leave her for there. The woman can't shock one kind. You go say this man. I'm not going to call you again. It's very bad. If your wife call you, maybe that moment your body get as it be, you don't want me, you relaxed. Embrace her. Draw to yourself, say, my wife today, if you see the work where I work today, all my body, they pay me. Draw to yourself. Use her, tell Robert, say, no worry, tomorrow I go show you, Tell her something, he go understand you. Not be say you tell her, say, bed dress, go that side. You don't know the kind of work where I work today. All my body, they pay me. Now that thing, now you don't know. That woman go feel bad inside herself. Say, this man, not be so you fair be before. From today, I not call you again. Now so it still be for man. Because when you reject man, you go say, okay, I call you yesterday, you reject me. I call you again now. I not go call you again. I will tell you, say, other guests, other women, they outside. All these things, it they cause some. When men go, they look outside. When women go, they look outside. Because not be today, not be yesterday, two of una day together. Una supposed to understand una self. So my brothers and sisters, this video where I see you say, as I just see and I say, I don't first see another one again. But this one, why I can't see and can't say, woman, not be saying not be saying now your husband, you can't carry and come in house. Now that one I can't pay me pass. You carry and come your own house, which is very bad. Me, I know they support say woman they do that kind of thing, because as I stay talking before, if you belleful for inside your house, nothing where another man go show you where go say, me I just kukuma follow this one. No. Because you dey comfortable for inside your own. You are okay. Anything where you need, your husband they give you, your eye not go there outside. Now woman where house not dey, where not dey okay inside a house. Now you go they think many things. Now you go they say, me I just come out. Maybe somebody go sit greet me. Maybe somebody go sit tell me say how are you. From there we'll go drink something. From there you'll go. You know. Because it don't inside a house don't everything don't fully head. It they throw away. Man where you marry you know they see again. You know they near you again. Person body not be firewood na blood na they pass there. So my brothers and sisters just short one now just see because all these things. If I dey see and the thing they touch me, say, why married man go they do that kind of thing? Why married woman go they do this kind of thing? But make them sit down. Make them think and say, maybe na my fault. Because that one our people know they too much they think. Maybe na me cause am where this man they look outside though. Or maybe na me cause am where this woman they look outside. They know they think about that one. What thing they think about to beat the other man where go meet the wife. Or to be the, now so then they do, which is very bad. Maybe the fault now for your hand, now for the come. Now make your wife, they do that kind of way, go they do. Even be say, maybe now you, the man, now cause her. Say, now you push her. Because you can push a woman. You feel push woman now. Woman, when you put for his house, they do babysitter for you. You don't even know whether now your wife again. You know they do what they call dovere di marito. Dovere di marito, that is, you have to do something of say husband and wife. Not be only say na your babysitter now person when one can cook for you. No, you need to do your dovere. That is your that's how I talk. I'm on no verse, and I know say Italian language. He enter inside my brain. He go sit down for them. No Greek come out again. You have to do your wish of husband and wife. You need to do it. If you not do it, that means that woman or your sister have been your friend. So some men know they think about all these things. You need to do it. Because if you not do it, the woman, you just waste your time before you know it. Don't dey outside though. And so it's be the same thing for the man. As I talk now, I say I not join man, I not join men, I not join the men, I not join the women. Because now two sides. Now the two sides, if your home, they okay, you they satisfied for your home, you not go look outside. But if something can't dey pano, your eye go there for outside. You go say this woman, I go tell her say, no be only she there for this world though. There are many fish there for inside river. Now so it still be for the man, the same thing. Go say, I go tell you say, no be only you there. Many men there. So my brothers and sisters, now just short one, I just want me, I just talk because I see this one, I can say, all these things, make them they sit down, make them they even they think where they for the wrong. Instead of them go they fight the another person. Now you na the cause. Abi you no say now you cause. Don't be say you go fight the other man. Say everything don't resolve. No. Even don't say you fight the man, you not resolve the issue. It go continue. So my brothers and sisters, just short one and say me I just see give una. Please, thank you for being there for me. Do not forget to subscribe, share with your friend, press that button. Put like, everything for YouTube now free. Thank you for being there from Untouchable Mama. Remain blessed. One love, keep us together. Now bye bye.